What's good, YouTube? It's Chevy Kid here. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. I'm here to let y'all know that I'm going to start uploading more consistently throughout the week. Every week, I'm going to have 3 set days I'm going to upload. And then I'm also probably uploading random. So y'all just watch out for my videos. I've done a lot of stuff to the truck. Just to get it ready to be roadworthy and registration and inspection and all that. And it was a whole lot more than I was ready for at first, but I got it done. And I'm gonna show y'all all the information that I found that'll help y'all when you're putting together one of the truck, piecing it together, whatever. And also, I'm letting y'all know my video's gonna be more entertaining. No, I'm very funny for a person, and I'm gonna let y'all know these videos gonna be fire. Say that again, fire. All right, I'll see y'all YouTube. Alright, also I'm gonna be dropping another video right after this one, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be one of many updates on my truck and how it's going. Alright, YouTube.